gosh, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee, and I've been bit by the spider monster. We are going to thrift an outfit. We're going to do a little thrift flip magic. I've already been working on the spell of creating my crochet project that's supposed to be along with this. So this is going to be an adventure. Let's go thrifting. We're going to do some DIY. We're going to have a great time. This is what I'm talking about. Get creative at Goodwill. You want to thrift your costume. You don't want to spend a ton of money on costumes at the store that aren't as good as quality of you getting some clothes and creating your own costume. Let's go for it. I am looking for a black shirt and black skirt for my costume. And so I'm starting out in the black sweaters because you never know. And I think I just saw something that might be kind of fun to look at. Okay. My concept for my Halloween costume is I'm going to become a spider queen. So I'm looking for like a really cute black shirt and a black skirt. And then I'm going to kind of zhuzh it up. I don't want to tell you too much. I'm trying not to tell you too much. Actually, it looks like a skirt. It's a large, so it actually might fit me, or it might be a shirt. So let's just hold on to this. I really want like a black flowy skirt, something that I can add onto it. This isn't that bad. Oh, okay, here we go. Yes. This is actually turning out to be better than I thought it was going to. I'm so excited. I don't know how I feel about this, but we're gonna put it aside and we're gonna try it. You never know. I just realized they have done the work for me. They put all purple tags, which are $1 today, on one rack for me to look at. So I am going to go to town. I found some more dollar racks. They have done a great job by putting all the items out on the rack separately. And this is kind of cool. We're gonna go through all of these items, pick out something that is going to be the base for our costume. I'm sure I'm gonna find something here. I feel like we're starting out kind of strong. This is in the dollar section. Oh, this is $1. Just not the vibe I'm going for. I want to show you this, but I can't because I don't have an undershirt under it, but it is fabulous. They say you gotta kiss a lot of frogs before you get your prince, and these are all my frogs, but I did find a prince. Okay, I'm heading into the Dollar Tree to see if I can find any items that I can use for the upcycle of my costume. Okay, I have a feeling like these could be used for something. Let's see. 3, 4. We want 4 or 5. I don't know, but we're gonna put 5 in the cart and we'll see. Okay, these could be good too. They're smaller spiders and they're a little bit more bulbous. I have hit the jackpot at the dollar store, as you can tell, but it's going to be worth it because I found 2 headbands and I found these little plastic hands. I found a ton of different sizes of spider. To say that I'm excited is an understatement because I was really worried about how to take this outfit to the next level. Your girl found it. And I'll put my inspiration right here on the side. What I would love to do is I'd love to make a billowy, long skirt to go with whatever top I choose and the corset. And then, you know, here's my big tip to you in this video. Go on Facebook to your free marketplace group. So each community tends to have a group that's like free, you know, community giveaways. I got all of these. There's more. There's more. Don't even get twisted. Oh wait, there's more. Okay, I got all of these sheer curtains for free on Marketplace. Shout out to the woman that saw my post. I was in search of just free curtains that I could use for my costume, and she said her son had a bunch of them. We're gonna use this for our skirt panels. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my waistband so I know my real estate that I'm going to be working with. I was gonna pin all of the curtains, but I think I'm just gonna do a basting stitch and I'm gonna like try to pull it through and hopefully that'll work. For the most part, it looks really good. Kind of like just a small little bunch. Gonna go for it. We can do this, girl. Let's go. Go. I don't know, I'm on the second panel and I feel like I'm doing better. We have the beginning of a skirt. What do you think so far? It's coming together very nicely. I have to admit, I did have a little bit of trouble reading the pattern when it came to this part right here. It told me to do something, it told me to do some increases, and I did them, but I wasn't sure it was right. But then she had a great illustration. Day 2. I had to think about what I was doing because this is what I initially came up with, and I felt like it wasn't going to look poofy enough. And then I did these little ruffles, which are going to be on the bottom. I think it does the trick. So I'm going to put a bunch of lace or ribbon on the bottom of each of the different tiers. This is what it's gonna look like with the lace on the bottom of it. This was about maybe 5 or 6 inches. I'm gonna go probably double. And so that's gonna be the second tier and then the third tier. So I'm going to do my best to try and make longer tiers as we go along. Hi, Boo Kitty. I think I made a mistake and I have to pull back 2 rows. So right here, it's asking for a cluster of 3. But then if you go up the next row, there's only 2. It might be hard for you to see the details, but oh my goodness, this is coming out so good. Here she is up close, and she's not even embellished yet. This pattern is working up really quick. I'm really excited about it. This is 5 more rows, and you can start to see the additional spider web. What do you think? We're still in the process. Now we need to embellish the heck out of it. Okay, it's time to give you an update on the shawl. I know I have not been giving you too many updates on it. That's because I do it when I go to bed. So at the end of the night, I like to pull it out and work on a couple of rows, but it's getting there. This is going to be the last update that I give you on this shawl before the final reveal. So we're working on it. It's getting there. It's day whatever. I don't know. I'm in the depths of this project. I am, whew, this project's taking it out of me. I need to embellish the skirt. I need to make my Spider Queen crown. Okay, I'm just gonna get to work. Just know that the reveal is going to be epic. It's gonna be epic. Help has arrived. My gorgeous daughter is going to rescue me and help me regain my sanity. I love you. Thank you so much. Smile. Okay, so the project is done. Wondering what you think? I'll be honest, I had a great time making this costume. This project was filled with highs and lows, but I have to admit, I feel amazing about it. This was a tough project, but so worth it. I really didn't know if I was going to get it done in time, so it makes me happy that I'm at least done. But it was a real stressful week getting it done. But I have to also say thank you to my husband and my daughter, who pinched hit at the last minute to make this beautiful headdress. I really was looking forward to making the headdress, but I think they did better than I could have ever done. So this is extremely appreciated and loved. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed learning that you can do beauty on a budget. So like, this was all done with dollar store, thrifted, and free items, and just a lot of sweat equity. I will put down below exactly how much money I spent making this costume, but I have to admit, if I had to pay for something like this, it would be thousands of dollars, and I did not spend that. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. I loved making this video, and if you respond well enough, maybe I could do more of these videos and do more themed videos, because it was a lot of fun. And my goal this year is to get to 5,000 subscribers. That's my stretch goal. We're currently at about 3,500. Your support means the world to me and helps me be creative and go crazy with all the things that I do. My family thought I was crazy this week, but I had a great time doing it. I thought I was crazy this week too. Have a spooky Halloween. Bye, love you.